Hello and welcome. I'm Vinay Puduvalli, Chair of the Department of Neuro-Oncology at the MD Anderson Cancer Center and the co-director of the Brain Tumor Center, along with Dr. Fred Lang, the Chair of Neurosurgery. I just rejoined MD Anderson in my role just last year, but I'm no stranger to MD Anderson. I was here until 2012 and was very much a part of the Head for the Cure activities until then. And I can tell you that I'm very excited for all of us to be able to get together again to launch this year's Head for the Cure Houston virtual race. As most of you know, MD Anderson's been very fortunate to count on the Head for the Cure as a partner in making cancer history since 2004. In 2007, in partnership with MD Anderson, the Brain Tumor Trials Collaborative was established, and the inaugural event was hosted here in Houston. And from then, we are coming to the 9th annual Head for the Cure Houston race. As you are all aware, funds raised through this event support the research efforts in the Brain and Spine Center at the MD Anderson Cancer Center, as well as the Brain Tumor Trials Collaborative, which is national. So this annual event provides more than just financial support, and it's really a special opportunity for all of us to come together to celebrate our patients, their families, as well as the communities who strengthen them throughout their cancer journey. There is an incredible amount of energy and effort going into understanding the basic underpinnings of brain tumors in our group, as well as similar groups across the country. For instance, we have organized a glioblastoma moonshot program that is funded by the institution, which has now established 3 closely related platforms. The first one is called Catalyst and is designed to deeply study tumor specimens. And the idea is to take a deep dive into the fundamental workings of these tumors. And the data that we get from here is actually shared across the groups of our investigators, and that they can build the new projects and new ideas towards defeating this disease. The second platform is called Accelerate, which, as its name suggests, is supposed to speed up the discovery and the translation to the clinic. And this platform will test numerous new drugs and biological therapies in a very carefully established series of well-vetted lab models. And the idea is these lab models for brain tumors include several new models that have not been previously used, including using fish for brain tumor models, as well as using live human tumor tissue that our patients permit us to use in the lab. And these methods that we are using will allow us to select the best drugs to move forward to the clinic. Lastly, we have the Translate program, which will move the most promising agents from these previous platforms into clinical trials. We use all that information that we get in order to make it into the trial platform. So these efforts, as you can see, we hope will enhance our discovery, move it into a development phase, as well as finally deploy into the clinic in a very rapid manner, because we really recognize we cannot afford to do this slowly because our patients are waiting for these breakthrough treatments. So please sign up today. Never too early to start fundraising for the 2021 event that will take place on Saturday, October 23rd on both Facebook and YouTube. Register and donate. The site for donation and registering is headforthecure.org/Houston. And I really look forward to this year's event being a very exciting one and a huge success. And let me say, on behalf of the Brain Tumor team in MD Anderson, all the very best to all of you, and really look forward to this event. Thank you.